Hello folks. Today I wanted to put together a short video that you can use to learn how to um, highlight a range of cells based on a checkbox. So in this case, let's say we have some data here. We have a little bit of data in this range here. And when I click the checkbox in column A, I want that range, the whole range in there to turn orange. And that's it. I'm calling this started. And then if I wanted to label that as finished, I would, when I click this box, my whole row turns green. So what is the uh, conditional format rule look like to make this happen? Let's turn that off. Let's turn that off. So first of all, let's start and take a look at what we have. This is the range that's changing colors, and this whole range in here. So let's take a look at the conditional format rule that we have there. There's actually two conditional format rules, and let's take a look at the first one down here, the orange one. So this is being applied to C1 to I18. So we're going C1 through I18. We're just doing this range here, from here to here. That's the range it's going to apply to. And we're doing the custom format rule, and it's a simple one, where we're just saying equals $A1. So $A1 is basically just saying if that's equal to true. In other words, when that's equal to true, this is going to turn that range orange. And I think you could also type equals true, but you don't have to. Let's say done to that and turn that off. So you don't have to add the equals true, but you could if it makes more sense to you that way. If by default equals A1 is implying that that's equal to true. So that's a custom formula for the first part. And then the second custom formula is, let's take a look at this. Another custom formula applied to the same range where it says equals and A1 B1. So if A1 is true and B1 is true, then we turn it right green. And you could do any other kind of formatting there. But what's interesting is if we come across what's known as the order of rules here. So if I have the orange first, notice the orange will turn correctly. And then when I click finished, it doesn't turn green. So it's super important when you're working with certain kinds of stacked conditional format rules that the order becomes important. So the first thing would, in other words, if this is just green or checked, it doesn't turn green. This one is the first one that has to happen. So in the order that we place these, the orange one, if we're reading up from the bottom, the orange one has to be first, and then we add this one. So again, a very simple way to go ahead and show which rows have been started, and then when they're completed, you can do that and turn the whole row. The important part of that also to note is the $ is what locks in that and makes the whole row get highlighted.